Hey guys, what's going on? It is Amy again with the Bargain Mama. And again, like I said in my last video, and I'll probably say in my next video, I am doing some of these pre-recorded. I'm sorry, I have an itch on my back. A really bad one. So I'm doing some of these videos pre-recorded, but I do like to tell you when I'm doing my videos because I'll watch some people's videos like I was saying before, and it'll be like, it says it was released today, and sometimes I will even go back and look when it was released because I'm like, that didn't happen. Oh, hold on one second. I was looking for my drink. I just found it. Hold on. So anyways, I like, if I'm going to pre-record them, I like to tell people when I recorded them just so they know. Hold on one second. Okay. So this is Saturday, the Saturday before Thanksgiving. I just did a penny haul, and I am doing my Dollar General haul, and then either I will put my yard sale haul at the end of this. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, my back is itching. Or I'll do one more haul after this. I don't know. So anyways, let's get started. This is my Dollar Tree haul. Super excited, but I'm not going to show you those things till the very end. But I could not believe that I found these things, and I could not believe that Dollar Tree was carrying them. So I'm trying to see where I want to start, because I thought I was organized and then I was not. I had one more bag, so I guess I did not have another bag, so this will probably be Dollar Tree and yard sale. Anyways, so I did find these, and they are both conditioners. I have a lot of hair. My 17-year-old has a lot of hair. I mean, everyone in my family, besides my husband, has a lot of hair. And so I usually go through way more conditioner than I do shampoo. So this is the Pro Silk Salon. No parabens, no silicone, no sodium lauryl alphate, moisturizing and frizz-free argan oil conditioner. And they are 14 ounces. So I picked these up, obviously 125. I picked up 2 of those because I just think that they will work really well. I don't know if they'll work well, but like, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. My back is really... Okay, so again, I picked those up because, yeah, between me and my kids, we use a lot. This leak, because I don't think I bought this half used. I don't know. So anyways, this is the PS Clean Beauty Leave-In Conditioner for curls, 10 ounces. Wait one second. It's sulfate-free, paraben-free, dye-free, wow, that's a lot. Cruelty-free, vegan, phthalate free. I have no idea. Anyways, I got this for my 17-year-old. He has extremely curly, coarse hair, and he has to put leave-in conditioner. So I don't think, what's funny is the other day I was like doing something and my fingers got caught in his hair, and I was like, do you brush it? And he's like, no. I'm like, what do you mean you don't brush it? So apparently, like, he just kind of does it after the shower and stuff, but his hair is so curly. I was like, dude, like, you have to do something. So anyways, I picked him up this. He just likes to use leave-in conditioner. I don't know why, if he's not going to brush it, but whatever. Okay, so I did pick up this ornament. Not sure. Oh, I got this at the 99-cent store, y'all. I'm a hot mess. Here we go. So it doesn't even say what it was. So it was $1, I guess. I'm a mess. So there's that one, the little church one. Not sure why, but I got it. This right here is the wall art, and it's one sheet of graphics, and this is from the Dollar Tree. But I love, look at my little, like the little hot cocoa guy right there. I love it. And it says, I'm trying to see how many pieces are in it. How many do you have? It doesn't say, it includes one sheet of graphics, but it doesn't say how many, but I just thought that they were really cute, so I liked them. I didn't realize this is a really short Dollar Tree haul because I don't have a lot, but I have some of my favorite things that I was so excited to find. Guys, they have had, okay, so they've had the regular vinyl, they have the small vinyl, they have transfer tape, I can't even remember what else. Oh, they have the leather. I did not think this was ever going to happen. They now have heat transfer iron-on at the Dollar Tree. I was like, what? So that's what it says, iron-on, so it's 12 by 12 inches. And so I chose these colors more for like Christmas because they were bright. I think they did have muted colors. I can't remember, but I am a very bright person, and I was like, the Grinch right here at the Grinch. So again, like if you look at those colors on the top, I have not used it yet. I will use it soon to tell you guys, but this is a bright green. And again, it is heat transfer vinyl. Put this on your shirts, put this on the stuff from the Dollar Tree. I mean, you can heat transfer it on anything. This has an iron. I do have the big heat setting machine, so I use that, but you can use an iron. You can use whatever. Just don't put steam. If you're going to use an iron to iron these onto anything, do not use the steam because you'll mess it up. But there's that green. I found this fluorescent pink, which I absolutely love. I love it. This is also 12 by 12 inches. And this one is also 12 by 12 inches, but y'all, this is a red glitter. I'm gonna have to take it out because the glare, but so this is also iron on, guys. Like get a shirt from the Dollar Tree for $125. So let's say you have 4 people in your family, right? So find 4 of the shirts from the Dollar Tree, get probably 2 rolls of this from the Dollar Tree. So that's 4 things equals $5 right now. So then that's $7.50. So like for $7.50, you could have like matching Christmas shirts. What? I know. So here is this. Again, this is iron on, you guys. So yeah. I mean, this is for your Cricut. You don't have to use it for that. You can take this out. So let me just tell you first. So on the heat transfer itself, you want your image, so on the top you would want to trace your image going this way. So let me just show you. This is the back, which is dull kind of, and this is the top, which is obviously a shiny plastic. So your ultimate goal is you want this is how it's going to go on your shirt. So you're going to put it on like this, right? So you're going to, when you iron, you're going to iron shiny side. Yes, because that's what my husband does. My husband does the heat thing because it's too strong for my arms. So when you put it on your shirt, you're going to do it this way. So if you are going to put something on here to cut it out, you need to make sure you mirror that image, or just put like, I don't know what I'm going to do. Okay, I'll just use this circle of ribbon. Okay, so you just want this circle, right? So you could cut it. So you'll just put this on here, cut it out with your little scissors. Do not come over here. There's no room right now. You're going to do that. And then when you put it on your shirt, the shiny side is going to go up. You're going to put like, you can put parchment paper. You can put a towel. I shy against towels because they're pretty thick, and then I feel like the heat doesn't get to this correctly, but you can get parchment paper from the Dollar Tree. We use parchment paper all the time on my machine, and it's fine. So you're going to put this shiny side up on your shirt. Again, you're going to put the parchment paper on top of it, and then you're going to put your machine, and I mean, if you have an iron, you have to press pretty hard and kind of go around and stuff, and then it's going to iron on your shirt, and then you just peel the top plastic off, and then it's there. So again, if you are going to do it, this is the side, the shiny side, the dull side. The shiny side is what is going to iron on your shirt. So either put your image on this side and cut it out, or if you're going to cut your image on this side, you need to mirror it because, yeah, it's going to go on your shirt this way. And then, like I said, then you just put parchment paper. Don't iron your shirt with it on you. That's a bad idea. I just know somebody like in a week or something is going to be like, well, I saw this girl. No, Thud. I saw this girl and she had it on her. No, people, no. So anyways, I have my design. I'm going to put it on my shirt on countertop, whatever you want. Then I'm going to put my piece of parchment paper over. I'm going to press the iron on as hard as I can with no steam. And then I'm going to take this piece of plastic off and it's going to be on my shirt. So I just think that's awesome. Awesome. Again, when you use these colors, just so you know, because it made me think of it when I took that one out, there's also a right and a wrong side of this to use. So, and these are not as hard, but they're still kind of hard. So this right here is the dull side, if you can see it. And then this is like the shiny side. So again, this shiny side right here is what is going to lay flat on your shirt. So, again, what you want to do is, if you're just gonna cut your image out right here and then lay it on your shirt, piece of parchment paper, and iron it. But you can see that it's very thin, so I think that you're gonna want to put it on a white shirt, because I feel like if you put this image on a black shirt, which I don't have right here, but if you put this image on a black shirt, I feel like your green is not going to be as bright. So if you look right here where it's white, it's really bright, but right here it's dull because it's on like the darker area. So I would definitely, this is not like what am I thinking? This is obviously not like Cricut like quality, and so I would definitely just put this on a white shirt so that it stays the bright colors. a long explanation for that, but I just wanted to let you guys know because these may not be out there very long. So we come home with this and we're so excited and we put on like our black family shirt or whatever. And then it's like so dull because the black shines through on here. So again, I would really only put these on white of anything because it's, yeah, it's pretty thin, but it's still awesome and still good. So we're going to hurry up here. I'm only going to show you a couple things from my yard selling. You know what? I think I'll just finish this one and then I'll do my yard sale, even though that was small. Yeah, but I think my yard sale is going to be pretty small too, so we'll just keep going. What do you need, Larry? Sir, back up. No, you're not my homie, sir. No. Anyways, so I don't know why we have so many of these things in our town. You guys tell me. But every time I go to a yard sale, I find like these Dolly dishes, and I have no idea why, but I think they're absolutely gorgeous. I love them. I have one in my cupboard right now, and they're always at all the yard sales I go to. And I picked these up for $1 each, all of these. So I cannot wait to show you these ones. So they are Dolly, From My Heart to Your Home. Y'all, I love Dolly. I don't know how you can't, if you don't, okay, but I absolutely love Dolly. My favorite song of hers is, well, I love all of her songs, but for Christmas is Coat of Many Colors. Oh my gosh. That song gets me every time. It is on my Christmas playlist. I love it. It's Coat of Many Colors. It's a tearjerker, guys, a tearjerker. But so I got these for $1 at yard sales, and it is the guitar salt and pepper shakers and spoon rest, $1. So there is the salt and peppers that are the guitars, and then here is the spoon rest that's the guitar. Those are so cute. I love those. So I got that. Here's another one. It's a Dolly plate. It's a ceramic serving platter, 11.625. And look what it looks like. Those are gorgeous colors. I really want to keep these, but my mom is really into like the Pioneer Woman colors. And I feel like those are very Pioneer Woman colors. So I picked up that, $1. Oh, I'll show that one next. That's not Dolly. But and then I picked this up right here. A 9-inch ceramic pitcher for $1. So I don't know where they get these from. If you know, tell me. I also wonder if they don't get them from like the casino here, because we have casinos, and you know, if you get there like before 5, sometimes like you get this gift or whatever. Because I don't understand how they can sell them for so cheap. Why are you looking at her? What? No, he's supposed to be awake. Okay, can you go wake him up? Okay, so do I break this? I don't want to break it. I guess I'm going to have to. I don't have to, but I want to open it. So, I'm going to show you guys the color. I'm like, Mom, I promise. It's new. I just wanted to show everyone what it looked like. What the heck? Oh, okay, so this is supposed to be broken. But I don't have scissors, so we're just going to keep going like we're going. Sorry for all the noise. Plug your ears for a minute. It's going to be worth it when we see this right now. No. Oh, you know what? I'm not going to be able to get it out at all because I don't have scissors. Okay, well that sucks because now I can't get it out. Hold on. Okay, hold on. I guess. Okay, we finally got it out. But it was worth it, you guys. Look, for $1, look at that, this picture. That is gorgeous, and it matches the plate that I got. No, you cannot come through here. Larry, call him over the bed. I'm so sorry. Go over. So, no, on the other side with Daddy. Anyway, so $1. They have these all the time at the yard sales here. I don't understand. Like I said, I do not know where they get them all from. So that was $1. And then I wanted to show you guys this. I did pick this up for $1 also. And this is called the Perini Cookware 3-tier rectangular serving plate set. I just think that this is, I just love it for like Christmas, like some cupcakes. I don't know how big it is. Again, I have no idea, but I'm not going to try to open something for you guys again because it's a mess. But I mean, for $1, these are all in the boxes. I'm telling you, I find them all the time for $1. I don't know where they all come from, but I thought this was awesome for $1. And then I think that is almost it. Sorry, I just want to look. I don't want to bore you guys with other stuff. So let's see. I think that's it. I think that is all of, hold on one second, except for these. So this is the last thing I'll show. Oh, y'all, I know people are gone. They're like, I cannot deal with this girl. I cannot. Anyways, but let's just keep going. This is a Dollar Tree item. I knew it was right next to me. I'm losing my mind. But he is the Dollar Tree Plus. I know people get upset and say they don't have one, so we shouldn't show them. But y'all, for $5, I thought this was an amazing deal. I love him. One of my previous ones, I showed the elf. Their little legs are stick legs. How tall do they stand? Does it tell me? I mean, they're pretty tall. Oh, 24 inch, so 2 feet. But look at this little gnome Santa. So I just think he's adorable. So anyways, guys, that's my haul. I know it was a mess, a hot mess, but y'all, like, these heat transfer vinyl, get out of here. That's an awesome deal. So I hope that you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.